If you've been wondering how to move your money from TD Bank straight into Cash App, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps, show you the trick that most people miss, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to transfer funds with confidence. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Linked Banks and tap on it. You'll see an option that says Link Debit Card. Here's the key. Instead of entering debit card details, tap the No Card option at the bottom. This lets you link your TD Bank account directly, not just a card. Next, tap Continue and search for TD Bank in the list of available banks. Select it, then log in using your TD Bank username and password. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your account. Once Cash App confirms the link, return to the home screen. Now it's time to add cash. Tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner, then select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer and you'll either choose a preset amount or tap the three dots to enter a custom number. Tap Add Cash, then confirm by entering your Cash App PIN. Within seconds, the money will move from your TD Bank account into your Cash App balance. The most important takeaway: always use the No Card option when linking TD Bank and make sure you have your login credentials ready. After the initial setup, future transfers take just a few taps. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from TD Bank to Cash App. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the description below for more step-by-step guides on getting the most from Cash App.